Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's compute the antiderivative of this given rational function. So we are given here with a rational function, specifically the integral of negative 3 over x dx. This is a rational function because our denominator is a variable. But we cannot use here the power rule because the power rule tells us that we can just simply use that for, let's say, if we have a rational function, you can make, let's say we have here 1 over x to the power of n. We can make it as an expression with negative exponent, and we can use the power rule, which states that if we can just simply, if we have here the integral of such x to the power of negative n with respect to x, we can just simply have x to the power of negative n, whatever that exponent is, plus 1 over your same negative n plus 1, then plus c. That's for our power rule. But this time, since our denominator for our rational expression has 1 as its exponent, that would mean the n here is 1. So negative 1 plus 1 would become 0, thereby making the expression undefined. This is why instead of the power rule, we will be using here another rule, which is specifically for situations like this, rational expressions where our exponent for our denominator is actually equal to 1. So we will have to use here the logarithmic rule for antidifferentiation. And that rule tells us that if we have the integral of 1 over x with respect to x, simply write it as the natural logarithm of your denominator plus c. As simple as it is, and we have proven that in the previous video. So we need to show that from this expression, we could come up with 1 over x because that's what we need to come up with this result. Take note that we have here negative 3, which is a scalar in or a constant. So by constant multiple rule, we can take it out. Negative 3, the integral of 1 over x dx. Okay? That would mean you have here negative 3 and use this times the natural logarithm of your x plus c, which would give us a result of negative 3 times the natural logarithm of x plus minus 3 times c. Or generally, since this is an arbitrary constant, we just simply use here value of c for any constant that would represent minus 3 times c. This is the antiderivative of our given rational function, negative 3x, or the integral of negative 3x dx. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now!